travel agent wannabe here with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. This could be you. Yes, pwede kang makasama sa free concert. Enjoy the perks of being a travel agent with free food pa yan. And of course, makakasama mo kami sa mga free travels here with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Experience the ultimate life hack all for free. Yes, you read it right. You hear it right. With Global Pinoy Travel and Tours is make it happen and you could be the next travel agent. Don't let this chance slip away. So message me now and start living the VIP life for free with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours.